Hello everyone, welcome to your very own channel Programming Knowledge. And in this particular video, we are going to learn about how to use spread operator in JavaScript. Spread operator are basically used to spread out and expand elements of array, object, and strings, right? Spread operator basically makes the copying, combining, and passing of data quite easier and very much cleaner. So we will understand every concept related to spread operator in this tutorial. Make sure that you watch it till the end and yeah, like the video if you like it. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code and understand this concept. Let's go. So we are on our Visual Studio Code and inside our JavaScript file, and let's understand that how actually we write this spread operator, how it looks, right? So your spread operator basically looks like this three dot. That's it. This is your spread operator. These three dots in a line in a sequence is your spread operator, right? So how it is used, what it are features, we will learn everything. So let's start one by one. So spread operator are used for mainly copying, combining, right, and for passing data, right? So this is the main task of your spread operator, and how it works I will explain you everything. Just be with me till the end, right? So first we are going to understand that how to copy an array. For copying an array, let's take an example. Let's say const nums equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, right? And then I'm having another variable named copy nums, inside of which I'm going to copy this values or elements of array inside this array, right? So I'm creating an array and I want to copy all the values that is stored inside this nums. So for that I'm simply going to use the split operator. You need to write 1 2 3 times dot and then write the name of the particular array with whose value you want to copy, that is nums, right? So let's see that whether these values of nums got copied inside this copy num variable or not. So for that we are going to print it console.log and now copy nums, right? So let's see that whether the values got copied or not. Where is my browser? It got missed out something. Okay, it's here. Okay, you can see it, right? So this is the nums. It is having 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4, and you can see it is showing me 1 2 3 and 4. And what I'm printing copy nums, and inside a copy nums I'm just using the spread operator and this nums variable, right? So all the values get copied inside this variable. So this is how you copy elements inside an array with the help of a spread operator. Now let's move forward. Now spread operator are also used for combining different arrays. How? Let's take examples. Const a equals to 1 comma 2, right? And const b equals to 3 comma 4, right? Okay, now for combining, what we are going to do, let's take a variable named combined, and inside let's make it an array, and inside of it I'm saying that copy all the values of array a, right? So 3 dots a, then put a comma, and then again now copy all the values is inside the array b. So for that I'm going to do 1 2 3 and then b. That's it. So now first I'm copying all the values of a, and then I'm copying all the values of b, and I'm combining it with the help of what, a comma, right? Now let's print the value combine, right? And let's see that what value it is showing to me. So it is show okay, first let me comment down this one, right? So it is showing me two different it is showing that it has 1 2 3 4, which means it is combining two different arrays, right? If I change it by 5, then you can see here 1 2 3 5 3 4, like it means that this is the first A array and this is the B array, and it has combined and make it a single array, which is this, right? And it is stored inside this combined variable. So this is how you can combine arrays inside with the help of spread operators, right? So let's move to the next concept, that is copying an object, right? I want to copy an object. So we have understood about the arrays. Now we are moving forward towards the objects, right? So for copying object, let's first create, okay, let's give a heading first, like copy an object, right? Let's give an example, that is const person equals to, let's name it name equals to Piyush, and age colon is 21, right? Okay, fine. Now if I want to copy this particular object inside another object, then what I have to do, you know what I have to do, I have to use the spread operator, right? So let's create a new person, right? And then I simply need to make an object by using this curly bracket, and then if I put three dots and the name of the object which I want to copy inside this is, let's write it down, the person. Now let's see that whether this new person stored the values of these person object or not. So let's print it out. Let's see. Now you can see that yes, I'm printing this new person and it has all the values that our person has, person object has, right? So this is how you copy an object. Now let's move forward toward merging and updating our object. I think it is also very common, like I don't need to explain, but yeah, since I'm covering every small topic also, so okay, fine. Const details equals to, I'm creating another object, right? And let's say he belongs to which city, he belongs to Mumbai, right? Okay. Now if I want to combine these two different objects inside one object, that is new person, so what I have to do, you simply have to first copy the details of the first object and then make a comma, and then make again a three dots and write the second object name, that is detail. And now let's see that what I'm getting inside a new person. As per my expectation, I should get first the name, age and city, all three. Let's see whether it is giving me all three or not. Yes, it is giving me all three different keys and its values, right? So this is how you merge different objects with the help of spread operators, right? Okay. Now we will learn about how this spread operator works in a function. Let's see. Spread operator in function. Now let's understand that how it works. Let's make a array first. Const numbers equals to 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 20. Let's give four different numbers to this particular numbers array, right? Let's create a function of adding, function function add, and then I'm giving some parameters, that is a comma b comma c comma d, right? And I'm writing the logic for it, that is return every time when I call this function, you should return me a plus b plus c plus d. This is what this particular function will return, the sum of all these four parameters. Now uh, if I want to give the parameters or the argument with the help of this numbers, this particular array, right? I want to give all the elements of this array as an argument to uh, this particular add function. Then how it could be done? It could be done very easily. Let's simply make it let's call the function that is add, and inside of it I'm saying that dot 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 numbers, and done. If I'm doing this, that is I'm accessing all the elements of the numbers and I'm giving it as a parameter of the add function, and now it should return me the sum of all the values inside the array. Let's see how, whether it is showing me or not. So yeah, it is showing me the value that is 50. So you can sum it at your own also. 20 plus 15, that is 35, 40 and then 50. So yeah, it is giving me the right answer, right? So this is how you work with your spread operators, and you just need to know about that. You need to remember that spread operator work with the help of three dots, and it is used for copying, combining and for passing data. That's it, right? Okay, let's take one more example, one more concept also. I missed it, sorry. That is spread operator with strings, right? So how it work with string also? Let's create a variable first, like word equals to hello, right? And if I want to give this hello, right, this is just a word, this is just a string. I want to add all its different I say the word as a element of an array. Then what I have to do, every letter as the element of an array, then what I have to do, you simply can use spread operator, like const letter equals to, just make an array and dot 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 and then words, sorry, word, right? Yeah. Now if I want to print this letter, then what it will show, it will show me that every letter of that particular word is now part of elements of that array, right? It get converted into the array, every letter. So this is how your spread operator work. I have covered every concept related to the spread operator in this particular video. I hope you found it useful, and if you find it useful, then make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe the channel to be updated. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and we will meet in the next video.